What if a simple hairbrush could regrow your hair? Stop hair loss, improve scalp health, eliminate frizz, and restore thinning hair in just a few weeks? That is exactly what many advertisements for the electric spray air cushion massage comb want consumers to believe. The device is promoted as an innovative hair care solution that combines gentle scalp massage, vibration technology, and a built-in spray mist system to create healthier-looking hair while encouraging new growth. These claims certainly sound appealing, especially for people struggling with hair thinning or excessive shedding. However, when looking beyond the marketing, it's important to separate realistic expectations from promotional hype. While scalp massage may temporarily improve blood circulation and the spray function can help apply water or hair care products more evenly, there is currently no reliable scientific evidence proving that this type of massage comb alone can regrow hair or reverse common forms of hair loss. Another concern is that many advertisements rely on dramatic before and after videos showing rapid hair transformations that are difficult to independently verify and may be enhanced through editing, AI-generated content, or other marketing techniques. Claims that the product was developed by experts or backed by advanced laboratory research are also often presented, without links to credible clinical studies or publicly available evidence. Many online customer testimonials and review photos cannot be verified, making it difficult to determine how representative they are of real user experiences. The product is also widely available as a generic device from various online marketplaces under different brand names, with some sellers offering it at significantly lower prices while others market it as an exclusive premium invention at a much higher cost. Limited time discounts, countdown timers, and low stock warnings are frequently used to encourage quick purchases instead of careful research. Based on the available information, the electric spray air cushion massage comb appears to function as a grooming and scalp massage device rather than a medically proven hair loss treatment. It may provide a pleasant massage experience and help distribute hair products more evenly, but consumers should approach bold hair growth promises with caution and rely on evidence-based treatments and professional medical advice when dealing with significant hair loss.